Hello tubers and welcome to the Pistol Alignment Workshop. I thought we give you an update on the Calf Racer and how far we've got. As you can see, it's looking like a motorcycle now, which is pretty sexy. We're running a lot of Suzuki gear in this. Essentially, apart from the frame, it's all out of a GSX 750 around 1985, around that year. Anyway, so that's what we've got. We've got the reservoir rear shockers on it, which is they're cool and nice set of clip-ons on the front. Doing this to improve the brakes and the look, to make it look a bit different. You're trying to get away from the essential XS250 shitter, really. As you can see, the wiring looms all over the shop at the moment. We are on the wiring at the moment. We've been plumbing in everything into the official loom rather than this with an odd bit of wire, as you saw in the previous video. So
just for the fans.
Yeah, just for the haters as well. Right, we've got a proper ignition in now, which is cool. All the coils have been soldered in, so we could give you a little demo if you like.
It's on. That's it.
So yeah, and I've got the.
Oh my goodness!
Now.
Do it.
Well, we're on the speed dial with the 5 grand.
Speed dial. You need some choke at it. Oh, it's run out of petrol now. Go on.
Hey! No, I went for a minute there. That was cool. So,
do it again.
I'll do it again.
Yeah. Hang on, wait a minute. I've got my doodles in there. Right, yeah, I'm there.
Ready?
Yeah,
right.
shoot.
Fingers.
Hang on, that's the HT leads. Just scared.
I'm there.
Oh, I'm not.
I'm trying. He doesn't do sparks. You're alright.
You cheeky. No, I'm not fucking tall enough.
Go on, do it. Go on, do it.
Hang on.
Well, this was a quick update. It's done in a full-blown episode now.
It does. Yeah, that worked.
So yeah, that was cool. And that's where we are. So we're sorting this process out today, as I said. We've got shitloads to do. We've got several A4 sheets of paper to get through. But yeah, this is it. This is the bike, and this is how well we're doing. So
Not very.
stay tuned for the rest of the program.
Part 3.
We've got. Well, I've got flux on my fingers now. We've got 19 weeks, I think, until this is meant to be going around Lidden. So it'll be interesting to see if we get there. Please like and subscribe, stay tuned, watch the rest of the series, watch all our other videos. Find us on Facebook, and we'll see you again. Thanks very much.